Wait, you see the picture of Indian movie star Amir Khan inside a subway station? He's so famous in China. What's up, boys? Here we see the Olympic Stadium that was held in 2008. Score! Beijing 2008. And here you see is the nest-like structure Beijing Stadium. One and only stadium. Beijing is really awesome. Where to go? Where are my squad? My squad, they're going and MacD over here. You see the MacD over here. They're waiting inside. And I'm just filming alone. I'm a legend. That's why I'm hanging my back like this. Even if it is freezing, I don't want to go inside. The view is awesome as fuck. Here's the MacD over there. I'm going in now. So good, man. My boy Ibrahim is here. He's just coming out from MacD. What's it, bro?
Huh?
Nothing. Who you calling? Mom. He's calling his mom. He's trying to showing off to his mom this awesome view. I'm at the Beijing Olympic Stadium that was held in 2008, and it will be held again on 2020. Look at the amazing stadium. This view are awesome. Look at this lightning. Everything is awesome here. Looks so great. Everything looks so beautiful and awesome. The nightlife is awesome here. I don't get hurt to pet for traveling here. Those who made designs, those who build, I respect them with that. He's going out from the subway station. And the most interesting and most cool thing here is all the MacD open 24 hours. They never close. What happened, bro? You wanna do pee? You wanna go to the toilet or what? Why are you running, bro?
I'm not worrying, man. I'm hurrying.
You're hurrying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my bro. That's the spirit of bro. My homegirl, what's your team walking down the street of Beijing? You're feeling cold. That's only. Any else? I think this is not a real flower. All these are plastic flower. Yeah. Here are some crocodiles over here. Oh, Scorpio is here. 多少？
这个25块。
25块一个。We are at the food street. I don't know what to eat. Everything smells delicious. Everything looks good. Look at this small dog. So cute. This is the hotel where American former President George Bush came to eat when he came to Beijing. These books are more bigger than Chinese food. Really? No lie. Look, I'm the store. These stores are really full. Look at my bag. Is it Buddha or something? I don't know. And where's my squad? I don't see them. They're all looking for something. I don't know.
It's cute, right?
Cute. Where is the cute? I didn't see any cute here. Where is the cute? I didn't see. Where is the cute? Show me the cute. These days I've been walking like 25,000 every day. Burn a lot of calories. That's good for health. But I'm fucking hella tired. Now the tour is over. Now we're going back. Bro, what you wanna buy? Buy me this car, bro. This car. Okay, for sure. I will buy this car, man. One day. I will send you on Alipay. These days we've been walking from 8 o'clock till 10 o'clock almost every day. Before I never know that I have this much energy. Literally I'm so strong. My boy genius, Samil Ibrahim, is checking for tomorrow destination, how to go, blah blah blah. He's really fucking genius. He knows everything. We don't need no tour guide. He's our tour guide. Keep searching, bro. All the best.
That's just my life, my life.